Good morning, and welcome to your daily Farm and Home Show, brought to you by the University of Kentucky Cooperative Extension Service. And now, here's your host. Good morning, I'm Joanna Coles, and do you ever struggle trying to find healthy holiday snacks for your kids? Well, Julie Brown, Warren County Extension Agent for 4-H Youth Development, has your problem solved today. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning, Joanna.
Now, tell me about these fun things that you have here.
So, with us having small kids at home or kids, when we have those Halloween parties at school, you're always thinking, well, what can I take that might be kind of fun? But a lot of schools don't allow you to take in baked products anymore. My mom used to make cookies and you'll put a little Halloween treat on top. We all enjoyed that. Well, you kind of can't do that anymore with the schools, and I understand why. So these are some ideas that you could do to still add in the Halloween flair when you go into those fall parties. So this is just a package of crackers. These are peanut butter crackers, but you could get the cheese crackers, and you can do little pumpkin faces. So all you have to have with this, very simple, very easy, it's just a Sharpie. And then you just design your own face. If you want to do the little triangles for the eyeballs, you can make the little triangles for the eyeballs.
And the kids might even have a good time.
That you might, with your older ones, they might just be willing to sit down and do it and have fun, give their friends, go, see what I made?
Yeah.
So those are just something easy, quick that you can do. Also, fruit cups. These are peaches, but you could get, you made oranges. You could even get the pears that are in these little cups. Same thing, come up with a little pumpkin face, make your little pumpkin face with a Sharpie. And the kids, some of the kids will really get a treat out of them. Some of the times their parents may have never made them a little treat, when they get done, for their Halloween box or something like that. Just add that little personal touch to it.
Absolutely. And we can feel really good about sending those with our kids, because it's not just sugar.
They're healthy. Sometimes it's, kids all they get at Halloween is candy. We talk about, my husband and I have talked about, we need to clean out the cabinet from Easter because here comes the Halloween candy. So these will be something that, the kids will be healthy for them to have. It'll be a nutritious snack that they can have as well.
Yeah.
Applesauce. This would be really
ghost.
Cute, especially for preschoolers. All you need is gauze, and you just wrap it around. Start in the back is what I've done. And you use regular tape. This is paper tape that you would get in the first aid section as well.
And Julie, I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, I'm not very crafty. But
you could do this, Joanna.
But these are pretty simple, right?
They're pretty simple, pretty easy. That's why I'm showing you all. So just get you a little bit of paper tape to start it. And then you just wrap it around till you think you've got it covered up plenty. And then you'll take your scissors and you'll cut it. And then you put little googly eyes on there and a little smile with a Sharpie, and you have your little cute little thing of applesauce for the kids.
Absolutely, so cute. Now, what are these little mummies?
So our little mummies here, we've always got to take in a drink. So these are juice boxes, and they're 100% juice, and so they're just little mummies, and I just wrapped them in gauze as well, put a little eyeball on them. And they can have their little juice boxes while they're having their snack. Now, with some schools, you might be able to bring in things. So what I made here is a healthy treat as well. So it's just cake mix. It's all it is. We normally use like Devil's Food Cake, and then just a jar of pumpkin. And you mix that up, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, pop them in. I did minis, you could do regulars, bake them for 16 minutes, whatever's on the box. And then you've got your little healthy treat. You don't put icing on them. I mean, you can, but with just the cake mix and the pumpkin, it's a very healthy treat for the kids.
Two ingredients.
It's chocolate, and it's 2 ingredients. Any of us can do 2 ingredients. And it's chocolate. The kids are never going to know there's pumpkin in there. They're not going to know that you didn't add the eggs or the water or any of that kind of stuff.
Just good nutrition that you added to it. Now, this cake mix is different, though, Julie. You found this because, sometimes school friends, they might have allergies, and so this kind of helps out.
This is allergy-free, so this is a gluten-free, dairy-free cake mix that I got. I'll be doing a program a little bit later on, and that we're going to do cupcakes with the child in there. And so it baked a little bit different, so you have to think about that. When normally I do cake mix, you just kind of pour it out and it levels out. With the gluten-free or flour, it didn't quite level out like you would see a normal cupcake. But it's something that you can do with your friends. Your children's friends have allergies. Talk to those parents. See what you can do to invite them over. Change maybe the way you may cook a few things, but then they would still be able to enjoy the the snacks with the rest of the kids.
Yeah.
So my goal is the rest of those kids are going to know that these are gluten-free cupcakes. This child's going to be able to eat them, enjoy them just like everyone else.
Yeah, that's what you call a good 4-H, isn't it, y'all? And so, but it's good to know that those are available right here locally,
Yes.
that you can go purchase right off and add some pumpkin to it, and you have an allergy-free pumpkin goodness all right here. Now, Julie, you guys have all kinds of information about snacks and activities, different things to do with your kids, and they can just contact the extension.
Just contact the extension office. Even if you're not here in Warren County, any other extension office agents can be able to help you out with healthy snacks.
All right, well, thanks, Julie, and we appreciate you watching. If you have questions about today's topic, please call the Warren County Extension Office at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching and have a great day.